The cordless industrial drill grinder Proxxon IBS-A is a battery version of the rotary tool from the Proxxon Micromod system. In addition to a fast battery charger and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the set includes 6 triple-slit hardened steel collets and 34 bits and cutters for accurate working. Thanks to the powerful lithium-ion battery, the IBS-A is ready for use immediately and makes working even easier. The high-quality 10.8 lithium-ion battery with its strong 2.6 ampere-hours is equipped with outstanding technological features, such as electronic cell protection and temperature monitoring to prevent overheating of the battery. Thanks to the fast charge function, the tool is ready to use again within 1 hour. The powerful lithium-ion battery also enables the industrial drill grinder to offer maximum performance. Sawing, drilling, and cleaning work is easy for the IBS-A. The full-wave electronic speed control always provides a high torque, including lower speed ranges, and ensures the optimum machining speed for any material. The advantages of cordless tools is clear wherever cables could damage sensitive work structures. Changing batteries also allows continuous work too. Importantly, the batteries are interchangeable with any other tool from the Proxxon cordless tool system. The accessories from Proxxon's corded tools will also fit on the rest of our standard tools. In this way, you can continue to use any accessories you may have already. If you have another cordless tool as a complete set, the IBS-A, as well as the battery and the rapid charger, can also be purchased separately, saving duplication of cost. The cordless industrial drill grinder Proxxon IBS-A. Greatest power with mobile use. Proxxon. Tools with character.